This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi S8 versus Lambo. Focus on performance, comfort, and value while watching specific driving examples and owner considerations. I will break down engine output, handling traits, interior comfort, and tech features so you can choose what matters most. I will also discuss costs of ownership and daily usability to help you decide which car fits your lifestyle and driving priorities. In this video, I will compare Audi S8 versus Lambo. Listen for differences in throttle response, braking feel, and chassis balance during real driving sequences and spirited runs. I describe turbo versus naturally aspirated sensations, transmission behavior, and how electronic aids shape the experience. You will hear how each car behaves under hard acceleration, cornering, and braking, helping you understand which performance traits align with your preferences and driving style. In this video, I will compare Audi S8 versus Lambo. Quick recommendation: while you're deciding between supercar snacks or executive lunches, try leak-proof containers to keep food secure in any cabin. They fit neatly in center consoles, avoid spills during spirited drives, and save time between stops, making road days simpler and less messy. If you want the exact container I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Audi S8 versus Lambo. I walk through cabin ambience, seat support, sound insulation, and suspension tuning to show daily comfort differences. I describe infotainment layouts, voice controls, and driver assist suites so you can weigh convenience against raw engagement. You'll learn how ride modes change comfort levels and what to expect during long trips, along with practical storage and visibility notes that influence everyday usability and satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.